First in the news, election stakeholders can start the review of the source code of the 2016 automated election system next week. And compared to the 2010 and 2013 elections, this time reviewers will have enough time to scrutinize the computer program if it contains malicious commands. Joyce Balancio tells us why.
Coinciding with the start of the filing of Certificate of Candidacy next week is the start of the local review of the source code of the automated election system that will be used for the 2016 polls. The source code is the program that instructs how the voting counting machines, the election management system, and the consolidation and canvassing system will function. 8 groups composed of the Liberal Party, United Nationalist Alliance or UNA, Nationalist People's Coalition or NPC, Unang Sigaw, Bagong Bayan, Lakas CMD, PPCRV, and SENPEG will participate in the process. COMELEC explained that this exercise will enable different parties to check if their program contains malicious commands and to verify and validate if the machine will function as expected. The local source code review will have 2 phases. First is the base code review, followed by the review of the customized version of the source code that has already been changed to fit the needs of Philippine polls. The review process this time will run for 7 months, longer compared to the 2010 which only ran for less than a month, while in 2013 it took only 4 days. Aside from the 8 groups, 2 IT groups recommended by COMELEC Advisory Council will participate in the source code review. Any discrepancy notice or suggestions that the reviewers may brought out will be deliberated if it is necessary to be incorporated to the system.
Most probably, if ever there is any finding during this review, that could have already been addressed. But definitely, if something comes up that is not being taken care of yet, we'll be on time to solve it.
Aside from the local source code review, a review of the source code by an international certification entity is ongoing and the certified customized code is expected to be released by late December or early January. COMELEC clarified that a customized code certified by the international certification entity is the one that will be placed in the machines. However, the local source code is also important because it is required by law and it promotes transparency and confidence on the system. Security will be tight in the room in the De La Salle University where the review process will be conducted. Reviewers will be frisked because gadgets will not be allowed inside, so the program of Smartmatic will not be copied. CCTV cameras will also placed to monitor the activities inside. However, Smartmatic assured the public that even if their source code will be seen by others, hacking will be difficult because of the numerous security layers in place.
For you to hack one machine, you might need approximately, 10 years, 20 years, depending on the computing power that you have. Okay, but that effort is only good for one machine because every single machine will have a different encryption key and actually a set of encryption keys that are different.
Joyce Balancio reporting for Y News.